Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting batch which is nothing but filter your event streams. Let's take up this challenge now. I'm just going to start with create a custom channel for order events. So click on that. And for this batch we should complete one such prerequisite which is nothing but a quick start connect Postman to Salesforce. So we just need to click on this link. Click on it. And you will land in this particular page, and let's take up our first challenge in our prerequisite. Set up your org. Click on that. Let's scroll down, and for this batch we just need to create a new playground, guys. Click on this three dots followed by create playground over here. So it will take some more time to create a new playground. Let's wait for this. So playground has been successfully created after a long wait. So now let's click on launch. And guys, here we are going to click on get your login credential. Why? Because we just need to reset our password as per our challenge. So click on reset my password over here. You will get reset link through your mail. Just check your mail ID which is given right over here. So now I'm just going to reset my password whichever I have received through mail. So go to the link. Now click on reset password. I'm just going to change my password here. Once it is done, click on change password. Now we are done with our password section. Let's go to our quick find. Here we are going to search for CORS, which is nothing but cross origin resource sharing in Salesforce. So click on that. Now here next to our allowed origins list, I'm just going to click on new followed by URL. For that URL, let's go back to our challenge and copy this URL. Let's paste it over here. Click on save. And now we are going to create one more new origin list. So this CORS will allow code running in web browser especially. Why we are creating this is because just to communicate with Salesforce from a specific origin. So for that, let's click again on CORS followed by new and go back to our challenge. And we are going to just copy this second URL and let's paste it over here. Now click on save once it is done. So which means this playground is ready for us to connect Postman to it. Let's go back to our challenge. So we have successfully completed this challenge now. Let's check this challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Now let's take up our second challenge. And this challenge will allow us to set up and connect our Postman. So let's click on this sign in which is given in our first step. And here we are just going to choose a username and password. And if you don't want to sign in this way, just sign in with Google. Click on that and select your Google account. Here give your name followed by your role, and after filling click on continue. And guys, you will land in this page. Let's close this. And here at top we are going to choose this workspace followed by create workspace. Let's go back to our challenge and copy this workspace name as well. So copy this and paste it over here. Now we are going to provide accessibility to our workspace. So as per our challenge, we need to set it as personal. So click on personal. Once it is done, click on create. And now let's go back to our challenge once again. So here you will find a link of Salesforce developers. Click on that. It will open one more tab over there. So here in our left side, I am just going to choose Salesforce platform APIs. So click on that to expand it. We are going to choose one option over here in order to create a new collection. So for that, I am just going to click on this fork symbol which is given at top, and for label we are going to copy this from our challenge itself. So copy this and let's paste it over here. So this is our fork label, and for this workspace we are going to choose Salesforce collection. Now click on fork collection. So now the fork is created successfully, so you will get this particular screen. Now click on authorization and make sure that your type is OAuth followed by 2.0. So that is what given in our challenge. So let's scroll down over here and we are going to choose get new access token. So let's go back to that screen and scroll down. At the end you will find get new access token. Click on that. Let's choose allow over here and click on proceed. And here we are going to copy this instant URL. So copy it and we are going to use it in later part. Now let's click on use token and hover your mouse to variables tab over there, and the URL which we have just copied, we are just going to paste it in this endpoint. Scroll down and click on current value and paste the URL over here. So once it is done, click on this 3 dots and let's save this, so which is given over here itself. So once you have saved, we just want to move into this Salesforce API. So click on that, expand it. So here you will find REST. So expand that as well and scroll down. If you get to see this limit, click on limits. And now we are going to click on send over our right side. So this is the method to test it. So we just want to make sure that our status is 200. Once it is done, let's go to our settings tab, and here I am just going to enable this follow authorization header. So enable it. Now let's go to our REST again. So here it is. So under this expand option you will find object tab. So click on that and under this object expand, scroll down. So here you will get object create. So click on that. So which should be post object create. And make sure you are in params tab. So under this path variables we are going to provide one value over here. Let's go back to our challenge and let's copy that value as well. So scroll down and here you will find the value, which is nothing but account. So copy it and paste it over here. So make a single click, it will allow you to edit the option. And our next step is to copy one code inside this body tab. Let's go to this body tab and copy this code. Click on copy. Let's modify this code, so paste it with our copied code. And now all we need to do is click on save followed by send option. So yeah guys, that's it. Let's go back to our challenge and let's check this challenge now. Click on verify. So yeah guys, we have successfully connected our Postman to Salesforce, which means we have successfully completed our prerequisite given for create a custom channel for order event. So all these remaining video will be available in our next playlist. I will provide video link in description, so do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.